Good morning.
Today's
It's day 6, last day of our cruise, and we're always sad. Today we are in
Bimini!
the Bahamas. We're gonna go out and rent a golf cart and show you guys around the island. Anything you want to add?
Nope, I'm looking forward to it. I've never been to Bimini, so you'll see it for the first time like us.
Yep, first time for me too in Bimini.
Good morning.
Good morning. Alright, we're off the ship and it's kind of a long walk, but good exercise, carrying bags and gear and all sorts of stuff. So hopefully you guys can see the
beautiful horizon.
Right behind us. It is an absolutely stunning day here in the Bahamas. Okay, I'm gonna go goodbye. Yes, thank you very much. I appreciate that. They are really
not working.
not really working. 1, 2, 3. Roundabout.
Everything on the beach.
Yeah, so we're walking back to the go-kart after the golf cart. And we just finished flying the drone, and boy, you see everything on the beach. I'm going to show you an image, and you take a guess as to what could have happened. Underwear and a toothbrush. What happened there?
Oh, fishy. It's like maybe a needlefish. So we made it to the end of Bimini, and it's a beautiful little spot. All the people from the cruise ship are here on their golf courts, and there are some needlefish swimming around out there below me. And as you can see, the water is beautiful. Wow, definitely rent a golf cart and do this. It was $55. So help the local economy and have fun on the golf cart. Obviously looking for fish. Did you find lunch? Bunch of very, very small sergeant majors living in there.
And if you're ever on Bimini, try the best cuisine on the island.
But we got French fries.
How are they?
Delicious. Are you on the left?
good. You caught that. We keep forgetting. Left. Drive on the left-hand side. I drifted over to the right, and boy, look what was coming towards us. So remember, Bahamas. Left. Beach 360.
And Al behind me is doing drone footage. Bimini is absolutely gorgeous.
How's this for a shot? And remember, Bimini is only 50 miles east of Fort Lauderdale. And we're getting this beautiful water. Take a look. You got the Carnival Horizon ship right behind us. Pretty cool.
Making coconut water. Good evening. As you can see, we're dressed a little bit more casually now. We're heading to dinner and we're actually hungry because the only thing we had to eat today was French fries. So, yay, I cannot wait for our last night with our waiters. They're awesome.
So we are a little bit casual tonight because suitcases are all packed.
Excellent.
See you guys.
Hey, welcome back.
Hey guys, how are you? Good, good.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I didn't.
Well, this doesn't happen very often. We're in the main dining room eating dinner, the early dinner, 6 o'clock. We're just now pulling away from the port. We've been on many cruises before where by the time we're seated at dinner, we're about an hour into the sail away. So kind of unique. Here we are pulling away from Bimini, the Bahamas, and it was a lot of fun. Well, this is the last night of the cruise. We're gonna go out for a little bit and some pizza, yes. But there's gonna be more cruises coming up, more travel, and hopefully you'll tune in and watch our content. Travel
travel along with us. See you guys.